Welcome to Mutat Decode. Today, we are going on the ultimate time adventure. Let's fire up the history engine and prepare for a massive jump. System is coming online. Energy levels are stable. The chronosphere is successfully locked and loaded. I invite you to witness the absolute greatest story ever told. The origin of life. Way, way back. To the very beginning. Rewinding 100 million, 1 billion, all the way to 4.5 billion years ago. Whoa, watch your fingers! Baby Earth was, well, let's just say it was a bit spicy. Imagine a planet made entirely of boiling soup. No water, no air, just endless burning magma. Look at these extreme readings. The surface temperature is hot enough to melt solid rock instantly. Yikes! And the weather forecast? Absolutely terrible. Heavy toxic gases with a chance of acid rain. Boom! Crash! The toxic atmosphere was essentially a giant, violent electric fence filled with megastorms. And if that environment wasn't dangerous enough already, look out at the sky! Bam! Giant space rocks were constantly pounding the Earth's surface like a heavy metal drum solo. But eventually, after a really long time, things finally started to chill out. The massive heat slowly escaped into space, and the molten magma crust finally hardened into rock. All that rising steam has finally turned into clouds. And then it rained. It rained continuously for millions of years without ever stopping once. Look down here. Massive puddles are slowly becoming vast lakes across the newly cooled, rocky surface. But the surface looks empty. Let's dive right in and see what is cooking down below. Down here in the dark, it looks quiet, but it is actually a rich chemical soup. Aha! Look at those massive smoking chimneys down there. Those are the ancient superheated hydrothermal vents. These vents are basically nature's chaotic kitchen, constantly spewing out extreme heat and essential chemical minerals. Inside these tiny warm bubbles, raw chemistry is just about to magically transform into actual biology. Look at this, a tiny carbon atom. This is the absolute ultimate Lego brick of life. Let's the master code inside the biological machine and see what amazing thing happens next. Wait for it. The systems are powering up. Just wait for it. The magic is happening. It's alive! The very first true living cell is here. Say hello to our ancestor, LUCA. That is our great billion times grandparent swimming right there in the soup. It is eating the surrounding nutrients. It is growing bigger and gathering tons of new energy. And now, prepare yourselves for the single most important and exciting biological moment in Earth's history. Bravo! The single cell successfully divided. The incredible chain reaction officially begins. 2, 4, 8 millions! The entire primordial ocean was suddenly alive and buzzing with new life. For a very long time, it was just a simple bacteria world. Tiny, quiet, and peaceful. Until these incredible microscopic heroes finally showed up. Cyanobacteria. And they learned a very cool trick. Photosynthesis! They discovered how to eat pure sunlight and successfully burp out precious life-giving oxygen gas. Breathe in that fresh air. The entire toxic atmosphere is being completely transformed and cleaned. Complex cells appeared with powerful internal engines and massive genetic libraries. These advanced structures are huge. Look at the massive size difference. It is like comparing a tiny bicycle to a Ferrari. Why live alone when you can have roommates? Multicellularity begins, and creatures are getting much bigger. Let's fast forward time. Evolution is speeding up. Creatures are getting much bigger and much weirder. Whoa! Look at that giant jellyfish swimming by. It has no brain, but plenty of style. Beautiful coral reefs, weird worms, and colorful sponges. The massive underwater biological party is just starting. Life suddenly exploded in amazing diversity. Welcome to the famous and spectacular Cambrian explosion of life. It was the golden age of weird underwater monsters. Nature was experimenting with crazy new designs. Look at them staring at the beach. These brave creatures are finally ready to invade land. From just one single microscopic cell to this massive, incredibly complex, from ancient fish to giant dinosaurs and mammals, and eventually, this amazing journey leads to you. It is an incredible journey of 4 billion years, forever written deep inside your own DNA. Life on Earth has survived so much. We are just starting. Always remember, you are an important part of this amazing cosmic story. Thanks for joining me on the Chronos. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.